What is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing or idea. संज्ञा वह शब्द है जो व्यक्ति, स्थान, पशु, वस्तु या भाव का नाम बताता है. नंबर 1 ए पर्सन, नंबर 2 प्लेस, नंबर 3 एनिमल, नंबर 4 थिंग, नंबर 5 और idea. Kinds of noun. Number 1 proper noun, number 2 common noun, number 3 collective noun, number 4 material noun, number 5 abstract noun. Proper noun, a special name of a person, place or thing. Examples: number 1 Ram, number 2 India, number 3 Delhi, number 4 Ganga. Common noun, general name of a person, place, animal or thing. Examples: number 1 boy, number 2 city, number 3 dog, number 4 book. Collective noun, a name of a group of people, animal or things. Examples: number 1 team, number 2 class, number 3 family, number 4 army, number 5 flock. Material noun, a name of a material or substance from which things are made. Examples: number 1 gold, number 2 water, number 3 iron, number 4 wood, number 5 cotton. Abstract noun, a name of a quality, feeling, state or idea. Examples: number 1 honesty, number 2 happiness, number 3 freedom, number 4 courage, number 5 kindness.